Hi, boys and girls. Got my funny little green hat on. Do I look like a leprechaun? Okay, well, you might see me wearing this a lot in the next couple of weeks because we're going to get ready for St. Patrick's Day, which is next week on Wednesday. Today, we're going to work on in the math packet again. I'm going to kind of switch back and forth. Today, we're going to do just one page. We could probably handle, the kids could probably handle two, but I only want to do one because then tomorrow we end up kind of doing something else and it'll be better if we just do the one today. Okay, so yesterday we did this one. That was a graph and a fun coloring page because we just started talking about St. Patrick's Day. So we're going to do this one today. It's an addition page and it says sums of 5. So you know how we do making the numbers, making 5, making 10, making all the numbers. The answer is going to be 5 on all of them because that's what we're trying to do, all the different ways to make 5. The important part is you have to color these. That's why I decided to just do one page today. So I want you to pick out 2 colors. Since it's St. Patrick's Day and clovers and shamrocks are green, I got a light green and dark green and a light green. You could also use a yellow or an orange. Okay, so the first way to make 5 is 1 plus 4. So I'm going to start with 1 dark green shamrock, and you know how I like to outline. So I'm going to outline those. Only one dark green. And then the other 4 are going to be light green. Or if you, I think you'll be able to tell the difference. Oh yeah, I was going to say if you'd rather use a yellow or an orange, those are good St. Patrick's Day colors. But you can tell the difference between the dark and the light. Just don't use the same color because then you're just going to be coloring 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. They're all going to look like 5 plus 0. There you go. And then let me get my pencil. Okay. So 1 plus 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is going to be 5. I'll tell you right now, the answer is going to be 5 on all of them. So you'll have to make some really nice 5s. A hat, a back, and curve around. Okay. I might not even do the whole page. I might just do a couple pages with you guys. I'm sorry, a couple of them. All right. The next one is 3 plus 2. So I'm going to start, how about this time I start with my light green because it doesn't really matter, right? I'm going to start with my light green this time. I'm only going to do 3. And then if 3, and this is actually really good practice for the tests that I did first semester, but not everybody passed it. So I'm going to have to retest, okay? So I say to the kids, if you have 3 shamrocks, how many more do you need to make 5? Well, it's easy when they can see them here, right? But on the test, they don't get to see them. They get to see the 3, but then they have to count the ones that are missing, the missing number. Okay, if 3 are light green, then how many dark green? 2. 3 plus 2 equals 5. And, okay, I know this is going to take a long time if I do the whole thing with you guys. You have to sit and wait, so I'll just do a few more. I think you guys understand. Oh, here's a tricky one, right? We've got 0 plus 5. So how about we do 0 dark green and 5 light green. I'm going to do them all light green. Or I could have done 5 dark green and 0 light green. Either one. Doesn't matter which color you start with. This is just like your red and yellow counters that we use a lot. You know how we would put 5 in a cup and shake them up. Sometimes you'd get 3 red and 2 yellow. Sometimes you'd get 4 red and 1 yellow. Sometimes they'd all be yellow or all be red. How about I do one more? Okay, now I've got 2 plus 3. This time let's use our dark green first. 2 dark greens and 3 light greens. So I don't care if you don't want to use dark green, light green, if you want to use yellow or orange, but I do want you to use, let's use St. Patrick's colors. The reason yellow is a St. Patrick's color is because in the pot of golds, we kind of use a yellow because we don't really have a good gold crayon, do we? And the reason orange is, have you ever seen a leprechaun? They kind of have orange hair and an orange beard. Okay. So I think I'll stop because I think you guys get it. This is a really short lesson. It's under 5 minutes. And then you guys go ahead and finish this up. They're all going to equal 5. It's just different ways to make 5. And the reason I decided not to do the next 2 pages I just want to wait because I want to show the kids, talk about how we're going to do addition and subtraction. We'll do both of those pages tomorrow, and how we're going to write the problems vertically instead of horizontally. And I want to kind of go over that. That's just good for a separate lesson. So 1 page today. That's it. And we're done. Bye-bye.